If you put a finger on my sister, guaranteed your head pop, pop, pop just like blister. I might smile and grin, but trust me, darling, when it comes to...
What's good to my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. It's your girl Miss Sydz and I'm back with another video. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be trying out the E.L.F. Putty Bronzers, which I managed to pick up 2 shades. So pretty much going to do some swatches, maybe a little bit of comparisons to other bronzers that I have, and let's just get right into the video, shall we? So before I give you guys the specs, I just want to say thank you so much to my beautiful people them that actually let me know that the UK website had these bronzers available, because I thought they was going to come at a later date. Well, that's what E.L.F. got back to me saying, because I did DM them and they said that perhaps it's going to be available in Boots around August. So when you guys said to me, no, it's already available on the UK website, I was like, say what? So on the UK website, these bronzers retails for £6, which I believe it retails for $6. Now, the UK website never has all the shades available. So as I'm looking at it right now, they only have 5 shades available, which I got the 2 darkest shades. The second darkest one is called Bronze Belle, and then the darkest one available is Sunkist. So it doesn't actually specify the undertones in these bronzers, but what I saw quite a lot on Trend Mood, that these bronzers look quite cool tone or neutral tone, and looking at the packaging, they do look quite neutral. So I don't know. I mean, I love me a little bit of warmth. Sometimes I can do neutral tones, but naturally bronzers I think of warmth. So these are unique putty to powder formula with a semi-matte finish, gives skin a natural sun-kissed glow, highly pigmented buildable color, smooths and events out your complexion, lightweight, non-greasy, and enriched with moisturizing argan oil and vitamin E, girl. These are the 2 that I have. So there is a pretty big jump between Bronze Belle and Sunkist. So I don't know if there is a shade between the 2. If not, it is a huge jump. And looking at it, I don't think Bronze Belle is really gonna do me a lot of something. But for demo purposes, I am gonna apply both of these bronzers. So just in case if you're my skin twin or not, at least you guys know, so you know. And then for reference, what I've got on my face already, I do have the E.L.F. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Sienna. For concealer, I use the Camel Satin Hydrating Camel Satin Finish concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. So if my concealer is already creasing, girl, it's because I haven't set it, and it took me forever to actually sit down and film the video, but I'm gonna rectify that a little bit later. They literally come in the exact same packaging, same probably amount of gram. And let's just see what the shades are saying, darlings. Okay, so this one is Sunkist, which looks like she is gonna be a little bit of me. And then this one is Bronze Belle, which looks like this. And yeah, this is not gonna do anything for me, nah. Considering that it claims that it's got a cream to powder formula with a matte finish, they look quite shiny, as you can probably see the reflection there. Yeah, it feels quite creamy. Yeah, this is like, this literally blends into my hand, and my hand is the lightest part of my body. Sunkist, yeah, Sunkist looks much better. Definitely looks much better. It's funny because it says it's a non-greasy formula, but it does feel quite oily. Okay, so these are some of the swatches. Now, this looks very random, yeah, but hear me out, okay? So this is the Bronze Belle and Sunkist from E.L.F. This one is the shade Oak from Beauty Bay, and this is the shade Thick Mint from Fenty Beauty. I deliberately swatched these 2 powder ones because these are classed as neutral tones. And then these 2 are more warm tone bronzers. So that one is the Revolution Splendor bronzer in the shade Dark, and that one is the Mocha Mami from Fenty Beauty. So you can see how warm that is. And then these 2 are cream bronzers from Fenty Beauty. That one is Chocolate Tease, and that one is Chocolate. So the Sunkissed one is slightly lighter than Toffee Tease from Fenty Beauty, but still has that sort of cool undertone. Cool neutral undertone. Okay, so let's get down to business. I don't know why I'm gonna do this to myself, but I am actually gonna apply a little bit of the Bronze Belle one, even though I just don't think she's gonna do anything for the girl. But let me just see. Yeah, look, it's literally just blending into my skin tone. Can you even see that? Actually, if anything, that's a little bit lighter than my damn skin tone. Okay, never mind. Thank you very much for your services. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to give this maybe to like my cousin after I sanitize it, because that shade is just not gonna work for me at all. So I'm just gonna go straight in with Sunkist. That's the shade I'm gonna apply. Yeah, it's very neutral. And there's a little bit of disclaimer, people. First of all, excuse the damn wig. Have I been filming like that all the time? No, the shame. The shame. The shame. Just excuse that, yeah. Just a disclaimer, if you are new to my channel, when it comes to applying bronzers and blushes, I do go very heavy. Like, I'll go very crazy because I want you guys to see on my skin as clear as possible. So just excuse the application, but this finger business is not me, you know. Okay, so that's that. Let me just blend this out now and see what it's like. First, when you apply it, you do see like grease. I know a lot of people don't like the Fenty Cream bronzers, but I actually do like them. I do wish they had another shade that was a little bit warmer. But in terms of the formula, fair enough that it's not pigmented, but it's just really skin-like and melts into the skin. Where with this one, I could deliberately see it sitting on top of my base, and it's like greaseville. Like, you could probably see like the shine there, but once I blend it out, it's not too bad. I don't know. I'm not in love with it. The shade is not a major difference to my skin tone, but obviously I can see something there, if that makes sense. So that is the face with the cream bronzer on. Definitely neutral. There's not a speck of warmth on my face in any shape or form. Like, no. Okay, so I allowed this to sit on my face for about a few minutes, and I checked in different mirrors and different lights as well. But I don't see the cream to powder formula. I don't really see it. And considering that the foundation I use from E.L.F. is a matte foundation, call me crazy, but I still see a sheen, which, to be honest, I'm not mad, and it tends to get set with a powder bronzer anyway. I'm actually going to do something slightly different today as well for bronzers with two different undertones. So both of them are going to be from Fenty Beauty. One of them is obviously the famous Mocha Mummy, and then the newest shade that they came out with, the shade Thick Mint, because I want to see what the undertones of powder bronzers will show up. Personally, if I do use like a really neutral, possibly cool tone bronzer, I would use something a little bit more warm, so I could just bring back that bronzer vibe, if you feel me. So that's what I'm gonna do. But let me add a little bit of blush, because the girl needs the blush, because I'm looking a bit dead. Yeah, I'm gonna use the cream blush from E.L.F. in the shade Fiji. Okay, so I am gonna do a little bit more blending, but I still wanna show the differences of undertones in the bronzers. So on this side, I'm gonna use Mocha Mummy from Fenty, which is this baby girl right here. Okay, and she does a lot for me. Okay, so that is that side. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Thick Mint on a different brush. Now, call me crazy, yeah, I feel like Thick Mint gives me more of a vibe, and she's a neutral undertone bronzer, because she's not that neutral. I still feel like she gives me a bit of a bronze. Like, do you not see that? Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, so this is Mocha Mummy and this is Thick Mint. Okay, cool. You know what I'm gonna do? Let me do my face properly now, yeah? So I feel a little bit lost. I feel like I look really muddy, and I still see the shine. Okay, you know what, yeah. No, okay, we're gonna sort this out and put my whole face together, and maybe I will look a little bit better. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face, probably gonna go a little bit quiet, speed through this, but you guys know the vibe. so this is the final and completed look. So what I've done off camera is apply my lashes in the style Cocoa from Doll Beauty. Added a little bit of setting spray, the E.L.F. Dewy Coconut one. And my lip combo, obviously I used my Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. And I used this lip gloss from E.L.F. I think it's a Prisma lip gloss in the shade Imperial Topaz, and that is it, sis. So once again, this is the base, and this side I put the Mocha Mummy bronzer from Fenty, and this side I put the shade Thick Mint. So I'm gonna run this down, yeah, because I don't know how I feel, you know. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like, you know I'm always honest, but I honestly do not know how I feel about this product. Really feel torn, like, do I like it, do I not like it? I don't know. What I do like about it is that, one, is affordable, two, that they have like darker shades, and I'm happy to have a darker shade than Sunkist. I don't know if it's gonna be like deep dark, but I like the fact they came out with bronzers and not just like for light to medium and then this one for dark skin. I hate when company does that. The formula, I love the fact that it melted into my skin. It was easy to blend, that there was no streakiness or anything like that. However, I'm still iffy about the formula. One, I feel like it's greasy. When you apply it, you literally see grease. And after letting it sit on my face for a few minutes, it still gave me that sort of sheen. So I do not see this matte to powder formula whatsoever. Did not apply like that on my skin type. Even though I have normal to dry skin, I was wearing a matte foundation, so I don't know what happened there. I feel like with another neutral undertone powder bronzer on top, it made my face a little bit muddy, where on this side, obviously you can see a little bit of the bronze. So my method for me works where if I use a neutral undertone cream bronzer, I have to go in with a warm undertone powder bronzer, because if I don't, I'm just gonna look muddy and I don't like it. So this is 50-50. Like, it's okay, it's not amazing, I'm not wild by it, I don't hate it. I think when I film my full face testing new makeup, which I hope is gonna be coming soon because the girl's still waiting for the Pat McGrath blush, maybe I will incorporate that in that video and see how it applies with a different type of foundation. But for now, yeah, it's just not really giving me the, it's not giving me the vibe, girl. That's just my personal opinions anyway, so you know. But yeah guys, that's pretty much from me. So I do hope this video was useful in some sort of shape or form, girl. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. That really means a lot to me. And I really appreciate if you have watched this video from beginning to the end. Make sure you subscribe on your way out, and I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And boom, that on the tune like, big up my sisters.